Yes.
Hi, hello, namaste. This is your host and host, Anchor Anita. Welcome you all in this beautiful exhibition. Today I am here to host the amazing event of Precious Gems and Jewelry Show, which is organized by Cavop Services. Let's go to rock this beautiful event. Come on, guys.
जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं शुभं दीपं नमोस्तुते शुभं दीपं नमोस्तुते. सन्माननीय अतिथीगणांच्या करकमलाने आजच्या या कार्यक्रमाची सुरुवात आपण दीप